What's up? Big plans for the weekend?
Nothing really planned yet.
So, Katie, who's your friend here? I don't believe we've met.
Oh, Tommy, this is Sarah Jones. Sarah, Tommy.
Nice to meet you.
So, yeah, you guys have any plans this weekend?
Tommy, did you just friend me?
Dude, did you friend her? You like just met 10 seconds ago. Not smooth.
That's so creepy.
So, what do you do if you've just Facebook friend requested someone way too fast?
Well, to be honest, there's not too much Tommy can do to get out of this situation. But he does have a Master Lock speed dial in his locker. So all he can do is get his books and run.